Have you ever wondered about the intricate connections in the crypto world? Specifically, when you hear about something like Beam Wallet, does your mind immediately jump to giants like Binance? It's a natural leap, given Binance's massive presence in the cryptocurrency space. They list hundreds of tokens, they have their own blockchain, and their influence touches almost every corner of the digital asset market. So, it begs the question, is Beam Wallet actually owned by Binance? Let's dive into this. First, it's important to clarify what Beam Wallet refers to, because there are a couple of entities that share similar names and functions in the broader digital payment and crypto space. There's Beam Wallet, a digital wallet and reward service provider that originated in Lisbon, Portugal, back in 2012. This Beam Wallet was acquired by Majid Al Futtaim, a major retail and leisure conglomerate based in Dubai, in November 2018. This acquisition was a significant step for Majid Al Futtaim to enhance their digital capabilities and integrate mobile payments and rewards across their extensive network of malls, retail stores, and entertainment venues. So, this particular Beam Wallet is firmly under the ownership of Majid Al Futtaim. It's focused on real-world retail payments and loyalty programs, using digital technology to streamline consumer experiences. Then, we have Beam, which is also known by its token symbol, BINX, formerly Merit Circle. This Beam is a completely different entity. It's a gaming network and an ecosystem built on blockchain technology, empowered by the Merit Circle DAO. The BEAMX token is the native crypto asset for this network, used for transactions within the Beam gaming ecosystem and for governance within the Merit Circle DAO. This Beam is all about decentralization, Web3 gaming, and empowering a community of players and developers. Now, let's address the Binance connection. While Binance is a huge exchange where you can absolutely buy, sell, and trade BINX tokens, and they even support BINX payments through Binance Pay for merchants, this does not mean Binance owns Beam, BINX, or Beam Wallet, the one acquired by Majid Al Futtaim. Binance operates as a centralized cryptocurrency exchange and a broader blockchain ecosystem. They list a vast array of cryptocurrencies and offer various services, but listing a token or supporting a payment method doesn't equate to ownership. Think of it like a stock exchange listing shares of a company. The exchange doesn't own the company. Similarly, Binance provides a platform for users to interact with BINX and its ecosystem, but Beam, BINX, remains an independent, community-driven project with its own decentralized autonomous organization. So, to definitively answer the question, no, Beam Wallet, whether referring to the retail payment app acquired by Majid Al Futtaim or the blockchain-based gaming network Beam, BINX, is not owned by Binance. Binance is a facilitator, a marketplace, and a service provider for many crypto assets, including BEAMX, but it does not hold ownership over these distinct projects. Understanding these distinctions is crucial in the fast-evolving world of cryptocurrency and digital finance. Always do your due diligence to understand the underlying ownership and technology of any project you're interested in. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.